In this problem we have given slope and point. We're supposed to find the equation of a line. So we're supposed to start solving this problem from writing the formula for point slope form of a straight line, which is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. Please don't forget that this is my x1 coordinate and this is y1 coordinate. Next I have to plug in these values into my formula. So I have y minus, and my y1 is equal negative 3 equals slope equals 2x minus 2. So this is equal y negative times negative gives me positive equals 2x minus 4. I have to solve this equation for y. I have to move this 3 to the right side, and I'm going to have y is equal 2x minus 4 minus 3. So if y is equal 2x minus 7. And this is the equation of the line. So this is the solution to my problem.